Here's the basic rundown of how this works. This right here is a 15.5 gallon mash tank. This basically creates the sugars, which then come into here. This is my sparge tank. It comes up here and it flows down here and it keeps recycling. Once that's done creating the sweet wort, it gets transferred through this valve, temperature gauge, and it goes into my boil kettle. So the boil kettle, as you can see, it has a false bottom, and there's a siphoning tube. So once this is done and all the hops are added and everything is ready to go, this temperature gauge reads something around 220 degrees. So then I take that, I basically turn this on, and I will release the sweet wort into my chill wizard. And my chill wizard basically will take this 220 degree fluid, and I'm going to attach a hose which actually takes cold water, shoots the cold water through the pump, and it actually has a chiller that takes it from that to room temperature. So then you get to see this actually go down and regulate. So then I would actually release it, pumping some oxygen in through the wort to give it a little bit more of an aeration, which helps fermentation. And then from there it comes out through this tube, and this tube leads then into my fermenting tank. So this right here is my 15.5 gallon fermenting tank, and then this reading right here then should read room temperature, which should match the wort chiller. So as you can see, I actually have two fermenting tanks right now, 15.5 gallons each. I'm going to have more, obviously. My goal is to have anywhere between 7 and 14 of these, so I can brew at least once a day to be able to distribute before I have to upgrade my system. So I have that, but then up here, the fermenting tank has blow-off valves. You actually would put a tube here into water to actually help speed up the fermentation process. And once you're done, once the fermentation is done, then you actually then take this tube, and I will then connect it over to my Select Sankey keg and slash conditioner. This is an aging conditioner. It can also be used as a keg. So when you pull it up, it's got a really awesome framework. So that's the basic process of how the brew system goes.